Nyazwa ndikosea. Uri oshoma ndishikaditatu. Ndikadimona details za studio.
Ngazovua nodzidiva hei ndikaire shem.
Nah, asori nasidiva.
Ndikofara.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black House Diaries. Hey, namsiri vanji nyana studio ti. Cho namposho we. Ino introduce apo nino mtuvao. Nenda mubona ti.
Ndikadomwaga, domwinjiza nchimwaga.
Introduce apo.
Hi guys, namsiri vanji studio. Okay, no, let me put it Gandira Yanga, not Yan, because that's how you sound.
I don't know why you wanted to do that.
Mpo obuya guys, please welcome back. Mpo niko dori Zealand. Are you gonna edit?
Nah.
Let's give Mpo a round of applause. Yay! Producer Mtuku Wawera.
Why go to
Boko no mabundu on the side.
Afana maheu.
Boko no maheu on the side. Rina mo mutu matriz zori ndo tendo mwamba dzina na ngori. Tidibura hayani badiwa guys, so I can't say her name.
Wait, do you think maheu ashmela zineza azukambo za ukuma?
Zatukana. No guys, it's either you can do it or you can't.
Cause yes.
Karara ronwa miso kayasi ana.
Cause yes, what I'm thinking now. I don't see so that's no, ndikomla if we go film Mabundu does this to a man, it gives you a boost. The motor on it. And then comes then itamini. A booster mini.
Marandi machena, so you can do a lot.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know. I'm just thinking. Oh. But had you awufi ashmakabani na phase, right?
Ati divi. And then what
if wazama.
Waka Mabundu anone antu abugisi kana waka mbantu. Venda maape.
I feel like ungashuma ayan because I think ayan oni abugisi no ono it was too zinji. Don't you think?
Yeah.
There's so many like preservatives so ediwa and stuff. So I think maybe ayan.
I saw chifu English tukana chantu. Jemini Mudau. Hila chundi Jemini. Yeah, chiko ringi santu. Unostronga 5 liter kana ndi fimini. If mini let me shonga ya wantu, ringi so apaka in one.
Viagra.
Not Viagra. Mi shonga in one if mini nampo.
But isn't that just
mpesu?
Mara Viagra simpesu as mpesu wachikwa.
And then also there's
what ike Viagra simpesu wachikwa.
Why would this have been?
Why would this have been? Why you not tapo?
Jambo mpochi develop mashika last week was with this.
How you to sachon? Okay, anyways. So is he selling? Okay.
Wa bra.
Mara uko rengisa. Zoru wa shumaris divisan.
What ike mpesu ndi mzana? Kalele zambo rako itantu.
How do you know?
When you prefer wa kalele kana la brown.
Shuma upyo.
You are there. Oh damn. Okay, and then Narka demuri hai nati fesuri ushiko fi ulamshonga wa mpesu na mfi not mshonga man mabundo rali so abakushima like nana musi matenda wana mtu akuno umukufi okay it gives you a boost kan nene
bonga bathu afuna ngora adipa maybe
that's the thing cause nendi manwela zvezvo
honyanwa
nendi anwa blind makheu
anishumela mara zvimwe
hanjumeli chitu Mudipo.
Every day okay, are the balance no msinso ngonwa uphi difference in me.
Ndisukanda there. Difference cope ziba zikufana. What you care what no comes off a man because nendi no life fancy smooth nyana. Una lati ya bugisi lendi ngalifisa.
That's why ngoshikana there na dance a day.
Anyways, welcome to another episode like I said. Now I'm seeing we have
32.
Yeah, not that we pick. I'm sure that was good. 32. Now I'm seeing na kaka 32.
Nemzelo rumorega niko varera. Etime ya vero come na brota brown. Just get na switch.
Etime ya brown.
Etime ya brown ya brota fota. Okay guys, okay sharp no. Arbe serious.
Shaba tu bako wetantu.
Arbe serious.
Ojimda chipinga chabo bonezi. So welcome again. Rob Razund ko welcome ngantane.
Shadwa.
Oh namsiwe ufinyi Chabuyo. Chibuya. Oh, do you know why she's here? As mtu na botike also the fe botike mini. What this again ya studio shiko vitambi watu wachitoa sara wachitoa.
Nani ready no isapungo ya.
Yeah, so remember last week or week before last? Remember we need someone and they're gonna co-host with you. Look at you.
The whole time you go for I have you really can me.
Oh, ini ngama mshumoni mswa.
Then I don't look. Sorry, interview. You don't look.
Ngokuthatha shishida para mara chinya
mabundu. Mwezi uchipera hapo. Ni wengi wabonyola na receptionist.
Ene mabundu amuchimera. No, you're right. Yeah, so we have
cinnamon and milk.
Na
Stony.
Now also black.
Halls, yeah, black. Really?
Does that thing work actually? Let's start there. In the room, it's a house. I'm not going to shoot and tune.
Sinonditola house ni mandikolela breath ni apenda.
Niko swifa.
Nsuyaza mina odela zoneva. Ndivendikolela breath.
Why that's in our cinnamon also done?
That's cinnamon.
Na cinnamon.
Ni apenda ini cinnamon ibona mndiro nga house na cinnamon.
Ita countera.
Nesu sanga countera. Why are you lying?
Dole arifa ko drinki ya lemon twist.
If I lie now in front of me, ndibona ono cinnamon enekane.
Hi Divi.
Thank you.
Hi Divi.
Dobono bona. Ono biyabona spice na anything else.
Ono ngandi raja.
Ono bona raja kane. Exactly my point. You know vraka bodo ngoitani.
Cause name your friend I can do whatever I want in your space.
And the cinnamon I knew in house. You messed it up right there.
Oh, shit this one.
I don't know.
Exactly.
It's news to me.
So, no man. Yeah, so she's the one that you're gonna be coasting with.
Okay, nice. So rukodo tumanini naye.
I just realized uri pizinero kushita na musi. Nayo ni August. So I messed up. Kunendo zuzari for that.
No one macho ndizi ikoti yodropanga dzituti. Oh my word.
So now I thought this week is supposed to be the last one. Then one happen.
Botopedza chipinga kachikoro miyangu kachiride chikoro.
Nah, not really. I don't think so.
I mean, I don't bala calendar is zvimwe. But it's okay.
It's not changing itself. Yeah, so this is the last week you guys are seeing me here. Okay, don't come on Tuesday probably.
So record date is hani. Should we do the next week futi?
Namsuru kunyo robona in India.
Oba kunyo robona. Oh, okay, I no problem.
Odo mbela jisi.
Ndafwe jisi.
Odo wana guy.
Abwe jisi.
Odo murungera songo fachi chwa zwawo. Ai.
Na matanga shono runga fast.
Api.
Ai urunga nyi.
Anyway. So welcome namsiri kobva ndayamba zvinhu zvitu. Like we're coming at you live from Venda with me. Rekodaka be live ria. Yeah, so
rekodaka be live ni meaning Venda.
Ndibuchiro.
Rekodaka be twi. That's what he said. That's what he said. No, Mpo is the one that said it. He said
oh,
twi.
Damn. Credit
no, I'm not that smart, yeah.
I know. Not even
I wouldn't be that fast. Like, even if that goes the rest of those brush, you know, rala. So
we're coming to you live from Lens Up Studios, Baonera Nepa, 38 Gugum Rebi Street. It's actually funny how Gugum Rebi, I think they kill Changangi. So, Echino in Tazulore, Echino in the Chichumi Sati, we're going to amba in a company, Ori, Wawan. But if you just search Carfax, you should be able to find this thing, because this whole place, if you Carfax, Naminami. So, this time around, number 4 is Awondi.
That's the Zono.
Hey, how's that personal? So it's 081-473-4775. 071. 081-473-4775. Or you can contact them on lenshubstudio@gmail.com. You know where I want us to start, ne? I know Rimungo's bad day kunya gantu. Okay, apparently people say Maro first one.
Really?
First one.
Oh.
People
just wanted to embarrass.
No, apparently ndivangana bawe vaneboko ba ufiva kusendera na wala message ka group or like let's organize something
let's
for
pull up for the boy.
It could be wrong kana bakuzvipa ndela zori you messed up now you're like let's get something to fimini mitigate kana into the contingent.
This was muthu oida something of in the PR start.
Exactly. So tangela zofi bathu bako ba besha why are they doing this thing from Tranendi artist they have all the money.
Were you shocked though?
Or into Nah, I know these guys are broke.
Yeah. Also, when last did DaLes do anything? Like, let's be honest. Ogumai no release. Shibabu. I was like in grade 5 or something when that song came out.
Ufiba guy wa Shibabadu.
I did the Shibabadu.
Because it's people you
okay,
was
not really grade 5, but I'm just saying. Ogumanga chichila during heaven. I got divana AK so
yeah.
And then
I got
after
them
that,
all white. Yes. He was an all white guy the whole time.
Was that the all white parties in answer the gender. So if we come better than Bantu
Waksa.
Works out. ava shaving stick avakubvisa shweshti vari vakadosara
okosara film chitanjera
vanohe.
Like here's the thing, gender realize that in as much as now we don't know uri ngondipi ndiori it was a PR stunt uri no rari kutojoka, we just need something for him achieve. I mean, because that's what they say now, uri runya kumpached after or not to your budget's medical bills. I was actually thinking uri, have you actually realized how these artists, it's what you said the other time, what is the rare kambanga vana va celeb, how they live in a normal life now. So I was actually thinking uri these artists nazo, they are so broke to a point in a, whenever something happens ndiyapona tumerealize oh mtu wanga anachidiri pasi yanga account yao, something like that. So I was like, hey,
I was not shocked at all. I believed it. Also looking at how he hasn't been doing anything. To come see like your black coffee, it would be like, you know. But I mean, he's been quiet. I mean, it makes sense, and then people are like, yeah, it's cocaine or whatever. It might not have been cocaine. That's the other thing.
Wait, what the cocaine you don't mean?
Your more power stroke.
Oh damn, what the cocaine?
That's what they're saying now. And remember, Nike had those allegations. So, because they are friends, I would not believe, eh? But at the end of the day, I don't know your cousin, mutu obvious, but I can address to actually teen.
Like, why not on to get something on the Baragonath in an IMD clinic or whatever net case?
Now, I want to donate her. They're just, I don't know. Yes, I understand when I'm really about the Mara. I personally, I don't think I would donate money to an artist. I don't know.
Fistos in I'm donated.
He's my friend. He's not just an artist. He's my friend first before he's a DJ.
Jara.
I know him through Fistos. So we're mutually. Exactly. Ngori we've interacted. Maramutu ane atutu yenda mubonana in person. No mugumaka TV ka channel O. What business do I have?
Na name is Domugumaka channel O.
That was the last time he was famous. That was the last time he was famous. So
Nyimizo. Ngamba nyimizo kana ntu? DaLes. No, ndofa njiri no mugumaka TV ka channel O.
No mizo konjena guy.
Remember mizo bana limbo na Zeus.
Shinone.
Mina go fast.
Ndo mugumaka channel O uyu ri mizo na mizo konjena guy.
And but very benga mizo. Please tell them the truth.
Guys.
That's our favorite guy ever.
Nabo bakudobori bakuba selective. When the album came out and we were album Roy for like I don't know how long. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can't come up now and say we don't like him.
Exactly. So
so Richie come on guys. There's nothing to hate Kamizo.
Exactly.
We have no business hating Mizo. We are the same people Romo Ambeda or Rarokwata as on Buki last year. Royal. Mara,
you know what is giving? That thing you go fi anana chi to Dombengramin.
No, it's not about that.
Oh, this will.
I could also say in Kenya West Dombengramin. I have no business hating him.
What of this? There's no need to be defensive.
I'm not being defensive. Voice yang ayo right. Bichambanga miss. Chinyangu fash to come miss.
That's the rate. Remember Nendo Diamond is my favorite artist.
Rari also like yes Rdo wana watu wanako upcoming and whatever.
Yeah.
But Mizo still makes the best Venda music. Yeah, looking true. At the fact that bango watu okay nungumona aracha orala. We know what he's good at.
Yeah.
But Mizo can kill both and he still does so well. So he's still the king of Venda rap and that's just it. You can't take it away from him.
King of Venda music as a whole.
Yes, not just Venda rap. Let me say Venda rap. So basically, so we don't hate Mizo, guys.
Oh, I wanted to ask you about the thing Chidoshi Vanessa Chidima Vanessa Chidimna. Oh, hela emi abada. Maybe you need to your trigger what.
What do you want to ask about it?
No, you were so defending Chishka. Guys, never land you. Yeah, she didn't Vanessa. Like,
okay, I just think Utio Zura. I don't. Yes,
don't you feel like it's because you relate to her?
No.
Because Naini and Wapano.
It's not about that.
Do you regard yourself as a South African?
I am. It's not about regarding. I am.
You think so?
You guys think these things are tradition culture no aurusiwa guy nemunde nditwa ndo zvifrende muvenda azvingi ndigain that I identify as a man. It doesn't work like that. Ndimuvenda because culture ndiyavenda hafi dance movie ya culture yanu ndikuita chigombera. So what business do I have in Ghana? Like ndikojena guy yes ndina rokota runamara.
Really? So any chance ningaresiya? Wait, in niche Ghana what depends? Do you become a resident there because I'm in Ghana? It's public
Okay, I
knowledge
don't
now.
know, Mara. With the visa, they didn't give me problems because my dad was.
You have a visa? Yeah, Ghana.
No, 10 to age before need to travel. Mara, I just bring and there's no shot to do a visa need to travel. And then the how could do a visa.
Oh.
But it wasn't like that. Baba's quit thought that because my dad was.
You are so sorted, miss, with everything. Rather require a crash no shoot and ready.
Rote is you know ring I enjoy thought that. Never Ghana. There is never Ghana's no.
Oh, what are you it's visa free?
Yes.
Oh.
Actually, we need to go. We need to plan a trip there.
Iran kusen war bukero dedari.
Why would you book out there? Go to Rara. Share a passing the Rapa Serambet.
Oh, Jitangani.
Eh, Stangani.
What the Ghana and the Abu Matiku? No, I'm just assuming Ghana is like deep Venda.
But it's in Accra and it's like the
No, there's Accra and then there's like.
the Accra, Accra.
What's Accra? Your father is loaded.
It's not about being loaded. It's why I'm so going to Uzra Joe back and
Timbisa. Somebody is in Cook.
I married. It's still Rangani accommodate. I took you on the it's animal Rangani dead. It's in a farako. Of what is show, Marazanga.
What the?
Okay, that was it.
What do you mean?
That was it.
Yeah, so we should go there. Yeah, you're still saying something about Vanessa Wawan.
I don't
what do you
think
of that?
Udio Ubeshi were also the council choose a MissSA. What are they saying about it? Have
They're
they
quiet.
treated? Because Ndipo Nebo Mutended are joining.
Do you know what these guys are actually doing? That's one thing about MissSA. I also saw it with Shuduti. So what happens is that we the one controversy no they're not gonna let it go because what does it even decide the views.
That's true.
I mean,
because nobody actually cared about that's
Exactly. Until unamvanda mean. I was like, wait, what?
Yes.
Okay, then now we're interested. Now TikTok on is just MissSA the whole time. So I was like, continue by it. Remember what should do all it was raw and then everything was normal. MissSA normal. Which stuff he should do is not Venda.
Sorry guys, I can't choose umpo. Po, bichawe chote.
Aso wechirwera. Tiwo chikewena chavo.
Mbona ngaumbele buno tuchizumba mato. Can't see it though, but
yeah, so I was still saying should I don't remember that thing already should do or there's something that should have said it right she garaba Venda nga man I think nane yazo ntrigela achijambori mara acho ukosema ba Venda I think over ya univen if not if unfollow.
And then she followed who?
No, she was unfollowing people. No, Mara, she was unfollowing people. If Ninkori no follow at about 300 and then you know can follow what? Mara, she confirmed also ndikoba unfollow because ndingasisoko follow mwana just because I'm Venda I mean whereas you were following those people. I hope my facts are right, Mara. I think that's what she said. Because problem ango chabaya account. You have amba radio achia.
And I don't think there's anything wrong with that, hey?
Hey, urna dito wetanto.
No unfollow. No, I unfollow people all the time. Ndiya ndichi tsitsa ndichona goinza ndikuenda tsitsa. Because unabatu enda mangalo re hayi umntu ndonomfollowa lini. Kana ndawana your content is not relevant. Atkuyifuna uyibona. Kana ndoita example le last week ndikwamuri. Sometimes nazikojana na Instagram mutu post a kirkin page like ana story
exactly,
like I'm not gonna learn anything and there's nothing interesting, it's not aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna unfollow you and there's nothing wrong with it. That's why if you follow I must follow if I want
or
to follow.
Exactly
my point. That's why I have an option to unfollow you.
No.
So I think the fact that they're quiet as well is pretty messed up. Muri
no, they want to grow
viewership.
They would do anything for viewership.
Idols and whatever. Nobody cares anymore. We are too busy. I think.
Why are you
stealing stuff I wrote on my stage?
No, like how many times do you post about MissSA? Don't come run if you miss me. What I ignore. And MissSA
I don't post about it. How many times I did leave?
MissSA? No, at least I do.
You need
to wheelchair. If you miss me.
Disability.
Handicapped.
Not disability.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were going to say.
And then the Maya cheape.
No man was saying pronounce it I'm like, maybe I messed up there. Like, so here's the thing, Chana Kumbulati, about this whole thing. In my view, Ndiori, in as much as Walamzan Okofi, no, South Africa, because there's a more check or hey, I'm from Cape Town, I'm like, it's what should actually did now, over Cape Town. There's no Zumla Mayfi, should actually live Cape Town. Apparently, Komori should do Pazo, Ufi should do Chifani Chow, and then age, and then Yari Cape Town.
That's as soon as you apply.
Exactly.
If I'm applying for a job now, let's say on LinkedIn or on Indeed,
yeah, you're gonna
relocation.
Mid-range.
Is it not mid-range?
Yeah, it's mid-range.
So
and then that's Mara, don't you think MissSA, they actually know like the whole thing. So when you do your roots in any vagas of the wood.
Roots, but location.
Who says you want location?
And I don't want to carry roots in the guy for the Venda.
Mara, you never know there.
Okay, but guys, okay,
so on to probably you'll feel that's what but was ignore, and then after that, Ndela was refimini. I Janaka top 16. If I read. Get it. I'm talking about Jana.
Open the gate.
Oh yeah, so all I'm to Janaka top 16. Now what we trigger Angela Zofi after people they go out there and celebrate with their own. I don't want to celebrate familiarity. Mara in trigger now. Okay, I see this Nigerian people when I celebrate now. It's the whole thing. It's the same thing. Uncle Waffles. Do you see how we built it as a brand? Ramwita Uncle Waffles. I got it and tongues. I got performance. Ristin Ananda. Only for it to go to USA, Nendiva, Swaziland. You know. Like after this whole thing, you know, build a motion. I mean, so what else and then after that,
so much sense of entitlement.
No, it's not about entitlement. Just that I just make a sense. No, as an flag is South Africa.
Exactly.
Mara, where are you?
Okay, Achishika.
No, here's the thing. If unity. Okay, the Shim's example is wrong. Let's use as an example. Let's take Mporadi. I was Chifani Akabibiwa. And to to better is damage. I mean, so zito I mean it's because good Chifani Chako Siaweti. Because we all know South Africa and Mrayo. One of Chifani Chako Siaweti. And then Chidima Vanessa Ono Yanokabiwati. Now why is that? Because about those her roots in Nigeria. Okay. So which could roots to Nigeria? Why could that represent out of South Africa part? Because the moment I figure what's this thing? Miss World, you can use Miss Universe, I mean. I was going to those Miss South Africa, but then who are the people that are gonna be there? Who do you think is gonna celebrate more? What was South Africa now to Nigeria?
Exactly. To celebrate by Nigeria and what about South Africa because you guys are bitter.
No, not to Ringasi, yeah. Just even on social media, although celebrate have you seen how those people are now?
Hello? Hi.
Yeah, so yes, I was still saying, they were celebrating, I mean, Mara, the most people that are going to be celebrating. Naka TikTok, now I've been watching those videos. Manager, you know, we always do this. We take everything from you guys. The whole pride, Mutuash is not going to represent other than yours, guys. So now I just hope.
So now it's an ego thing. Mara, uri Mutuashike, I'm going to vote anyway. Can we agree that she's also pretty good at what she does? She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Like she articulates very well.
Did you see her speak?
Yes, I've seen videos. No one has a video. She's good. So as much fun as she would trigger but she was with her. But if you look at her and she speaks, nothing.
That's what I was saying. As trigger, we should put a video. Because everything was normal. Zambi was and then people started bringing this thing. Portuguese, and obviously also before. And then I was like, okay, maybe she did it. Maras now to find out they don't. Now the internet is so big to a point in a and then I mean, what's this girl? I'm cool. We know MissSA. I'm like, no, I don't know about Europe. And I mean, I'm like, guys, and they're part of us now. Okay, at this point.
Honestly, if we're going to run the whole
sorry,
I'm just saying, if we're gonna run through the whole roots thing, we are not gonna win. Hey, like originally a lot of Venda. No, originally a lot of Venda people are from Zimbabwe.
What do you mean by that?
So are we really going to sei mutu asongowina okay arali ukufira kushuma ngadzi roots vasingochapuwa dzi idea vasingochaitwa fi vapfunga they're South African because they're not because when it comes because you guys want to choose where
that's what I was actually
how
thinking,
they should be vachidonifunza sama lecturer and they educate you guys it's okay there's no problem but you to representer as MissSA it's a problem because you guys feel like unavangati vari deserving
people wanna be represented by their own which I feel like I also stand by it like are representing avatu vasho and there's ama lecturer I mean if you guys are feeling university yanga dodzura yalicha or oh okay ngori avana vatu aringafunzi vacho they're gonna outsource and those guys are good namika zvino vakuita but then hey niko representa shango zvino niko representa shango that's why I was going to outsource
no it's okay I guess
see a mic
ndikobuya
maratini kwamba anikukini kutoa kitchen
okay the bathroom anyways I'm just saying okay hey topic I paid it's how you feel and that's okay you feel like she shouldn't be part of it I feel like she should be part of it because
yeah I feel like she shouldn't
because okay the same way cool Uncle Waffles oba the Met Gala oba kuita zviminimini angange ipo mutanganedza why is it so easy for like Americans or vari embrace Akon
no,
has been representing America for the longest time
some America Uncle Waffles
they don't have what rules okay sharp rina dzi roots and adzishumi but
kodwa kamore ufinyi Uncle Waffles angotanganedza samuthu wa USA she was welcomed as an African naye hachisvika nge angosvika oh she's American
guys aritodzima vathu dzibasa if zvichidoamburova pabasa there's stuff they can
which
do
is where this thing is going
yeah.
South Africa is the easiest country to get into
it is
like why man
and here's the thing that
and
is why
uri riye umwe petu zvikonda lumwe
let me tell you that is why yes yakonda that I'm not going to lie to you it's a mission ujena airport before you know the visa zonova easy nichiyagana ujena airport anzokupira nasikonganiko ya gender toilet it's not that easy vadonisecha vadosedzulusa and whatever but what I'm saying now is like I told you momuto over commentary kai video I'm seeing gangsters drug lords and whatever because people have this thing in their heads
that's just xenophobic
which is okay ne? That's how they feel that's okay
what do you mean?
That's how they feel uri Nigeria ndivone vane varingisa dzi drugs mara arili ukufi it's so easy arili ukufi it's so easy uri vathu vajene South Africa ndivonyi vo farao access yojena South Africa it's not foreigners
exactly
it's South Africans so if you guys think they are too gangster avo vomalume vavona vokutsi avivo vane vavakaparliament vareka politics vone vanokuvhura mavhoti because they want to eat as well so if they are eating because they come in it makes all of us gangsters
hey not us just
no
them.
I'm just saying let's stop saying nduri vakojia mishumo vakoda vakoringisa
nah this thing is only been about mishumo this is just about the roots you're going to represent a country yakashangwa Islam it's not about mishumo nini kufesa I mean like auna mtu nanga tendolima nga 10 rand mara vakolima magwena nge ayena and also you know
that's true
so I'm like hey at this so problem
vashuba decide utotsva vavadzana vadecide uringisa muviri uri havalani vakokono cleaner no avala vakono cleaner for 300 rand inina for you it's little I'd rather be a prostitute or whatever
how much would you pay a helper within one
for a day
ngangwezi
tidivi ngangwezi mara for a day I know it's 300 vasikoda vacleaner vaaina it's 300 rands that's like the basic arinina njini yagonyisa mara ndiyone ya and asindu ndi apartment abezlos it's not like a lot of work mara ito manepo so niumbure arali yako cleaner every day for let's say 6 days or Sunday 300 each do the maths mara rine we don't want to do that no guma inotowana mutusi wapano when last nendikale even at home we don't have
mara tichitwanga muyanga zvitwanga ne
mara ndikomoni chivavona vavonana samuchangana kana vavonana samuzimbabwe
ndimuvenda riditoambara seya vari nikotuwa
vari
novuya
kana vonochiguda vodipadzina
vachivamuvenda
but I'm just saying
makuruwangaire vafi makura vala mtu
navyanaabzori makuru ndivapano kanti ndivakange
that's not anti was
kana miyanyinyi miyatanga
I'll continue.
But it's okay, guys. Like, don't come for me. And I'm not saying this because I'm from that side. I'm just saying I don't get it, and that's how I feel. And
no,
that's
no
how
one is gonna
Kanga
come
feels.
for you, man.
No, ndobona Twitter uri like people have taken it as tell to see muimerera. If it's because she's a Jellofina, she's whatever, and I'm just like.
What do you mean? Oh, rather what Jellofina?
That's what they're saying. That's what I didn't know she dates. I know Bonang has dated Debanj, but I didn't know about. There was a beautiful couple. Just a way break up.
No, I feel like AKA na Bonang na zinhlewe sharp. the rest not rwaba raro ngakatini okay yaike inabona yaike inazinja
umuntu angasiphi blind ngathi wena khawuphela ukuthi
no kufanele nabo temamona it's fine
I think yaike ina bonang was more compatible.
It was Rocky.
Hey, they used to have fun. Baba chiyelana. You know, I feel like Zinklendi Ola worry, let's go home, it's late. I feel like she's the I'm getting bored.
When you did that, when you to Zinkle
hey, Marila Spinga story.
No, she looks bossy though.
Na helper ya watch Tomwamba you
and Diva.
She looks like that.
Okakongo Diva. Yeah, la mizo for Rokuli chan. Apparently, vindi rimina radisanya go suwiwa allegedly.
I don't think uamurwa mara ndibononga archive yanu wabuyo. I'm just saying.
Nuriwa zezo.
I'm just saying. Mara no, nari kambe ko. Abui mkona.
Ne.
Enough you yene we.
Ndiyabuya ne.
Ndo ya machero mano.
Oh, ndiyabuya. Last week ango mini games na tufika rtuwe. Ndatuwa.
Kujuko bora.
Ako bora rtuwe. So I'm like.
So I think yazona zamuzana. These are any other guy that's
doesn't need kama zorwa.
Hamuru yai. Oro divabo.
Hey. No man. And then also there's another thing that I saw I had to go check this YouTube whole thing, yeah, the content creators, and I mean, so I came across two things this week. Or remember Mike Angel? Not just one last to kana. So Nigeria, I mean, you should Tinani. Emanuela. Yeah, remember the guy Mike Angel and Mune Ola Shinga Kuklaunian. He was working with those kids and the out NFL. So this other guy, I was watching the podcast Akambori. No, Emanuela, if not Emmanuel, Mark Angel Asar, but daily, the whole thing. I mean, the guy is making $60,000, $90,000 per month. So that's like 1.8 million rent. I was about
videos. That's viral. That's a lot.
And then I check it now they have like 9-point-something million subscribers. So they're actually getting paid.
Maraba badeli.
I'm like, no man. And
okay, jingwe bona ini ningadivua na ya.
There's the thing, it's actually not good watua. There's no so fi K 500,000. 500,000 naira. Naira even. Ngosfa.
2,000 rand.
And the thing is the guy
chips.
I know they appreciate it because uri our fan and I mean so now it's like any man in the guy one and I mean the band we appreciate how and then I think we want to trip so I go fika bad. Makengela no, I'll go with Emanuela because wakoronyage Emanuela pays. Then are anyone go here? I was like, no, remember I'm the manager. As managing just to a point in there, Vajiskangi Watu Avalan, and our name trip foot Vachka Gambia, I think. And then the guy Vajiskangi Wakwa. So Vini Denilson Igwe.
Okay.
That's the guy. Yeah, so Vajiskangi Gambia, they got $5,000. So that's like what? 100,000 rand. Yeah, you're right and Washimis Uri, the only money got from that 5,000 of $100. That I should miss a Gambia. The guy started buying cars, rengas into land.
That's a bit selfish.
So I was like, this whole time Rene we watching,
I feel like that's
enjoying
the whole
this thing.
chat, yeah, Nonga Yamapurisa, don't you think?
Yeah, it could be it.
Did you see what El Tito did?
El Tito and McG.
Yeah. Hey. What do you think about it?
No, I just feel like El Tito.
Explain what happened first. You on the hungry, but we just think everyone watches what we watch.
Okay, El Tito dropped a 15 minutes video. Ako Besha was in Mapuris and McG.
Ako Kaiza.
Nah, that was bashing. Okay, Oro ako any mnachi zamboro ko Kaiza McG.
Because the title says addressing. Addresses.
Addressing Kaiza. Oh, okay. Ako Kaiza McG na Maporisa. I'll forget the party of Maporisa. Now I'll come and make jury. No McG and relevance. All this thing meaning if solar to this is what is going to happen to the podcast, and then when you come back, I want to read it to. I think Tisho Zomba make Jikana and Tangel will become all nice for you to go and bash me. Okay, Zomba for you Nichaka podcast and I was gonna bash as far. And I was like, oh, okay, somebody out of I'm done off camera. And then on camera now one story different. Which is like McG. And I feel like this is that also now.
Off camera and on camera mara continue.
I'm gonna be nice at you. Man, not from the story chine kufunga mini. Nichishika hapo noni. Reka 30 minutes. Arisha na mafunga. I'm gonna be like,
do you think it's about that?
I'm not so sure. What do you think it's about?
I think it's about because then we won an episode McG Amber is lost. So what happened was welcome Bangazi podcast and whatever, and then McG said it as in, and he said it in passing. He didn't really dwell on it. Uri. hola asemani harina batu.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like a Yo TV of podcasts.
Yeah, I remember that.
You get what I'm saying? So
is that thing you're in the parental guy?
Lenient. Hangi ene, and that's not a bad thing.
How could I smash? Who is smashing?
So hakuri you are the hakuri upasi. Ukutwambori. Hola, he's a good person. He's the you like. Una what's the parental restrictions? Una. Do you get what I'm saying?
Which comes back to that thing here, Ramangela sticky delivery ya pamaninga then when I podcast ya Venda na I enjoy because of the delivery. Renero kwamba hapo ni it's all document all that.
You get what I'm saying?
Exactly. So all I knew ukosemana it's all case.
And na podcast is as funny because we make jiba dzura sen nena ini ba ambati and then Altido it's always know that udiambera story channel. So angasini bash because you came to say your story. Na make jimu si watu that he doesn't bash them. Udobore mutu what the pangene mun the person bus because he's going to ask did you smash who
exactly.
And the person is so that's not so you know what I don't know I'm also a McG fan so also I can't really speak
that's
much
the thing,
on
man.
that.
Do you think like we suffer from this thing as people or once you become a fan of something you
cult.
find any way okay yeah and the cult.
It's a cult.
You always defend it no matter what.
Yeah. I think that's it because Nemegji now ngachimachama I mean I was on his side the whole time. I never felt like okay unachipinga chinda biyandarwana about Venda banji uchikofi let's go chifiyango obutsonga mizware amudivi. There's a person I don't talk to anymore.
I think it was Saul
because of
also.
that about the private location mimi letchipinga and then the person was like no mara abaza kumudiva dzina asimwambe zone and I'm like guys
is he compelled to know everyone?
Not even everyone. Ozokake agaye ura angwe dzina la mutu ane chotoma mizofu udibwa we know him at home make jidi muvenda yes afingori ndi muvenda ufana no yonera komurera wa MissSA he didn't grow up in Venda at all udzulako ako mesa apu chivenda but it doesn't make us stop supporting him or whatever
exactly yeah
because all wangeno so I know amudivi so na ndikumuimera ndikambore he really doesn't I don't think angadiva mutu arati mudivi for what because I think the Batumone they haven't been chillers for a while they've just been supporting
and this is over now una mapungo
yeah so I've been supporting him for some time so
yeah so back to that thing so I was just wondering do people ever read contracts in because at some point unachimanga chair padza uchikofi uyu mtu wabada contract abvisa contract ina aingo signiwa ikamba zvinhu zvori is an employee na mini utotohola it's not like part of the structure chitu chine uzona kutova na share na mini so I was like hey upon that people are getting used to a point in you never know we don't know on that whole thing so hey.
But I think everyone now just has to be woke and then it's just stories whenever you get into something you just need to know what it is you just need to discuss the financial part of it if it's making money talk about the money part because you can't now just wake up a year later and you're like maratungwana na peni ya rimbo ruchiva and you're like ini chituo nisho performa norona ngamunike
munike ni mini chipi munike
didn't make a sense from that so
yeah I mean
it happens but people just need to be more woke.
Oh and then I also saw another model in YouTube yashumiso badera about so this thing those guys are so okay company when I know what was smart so what happens with YouTube is that in honorary so you have a YouTube channel so say your average views are 1 million so never the one so okay video you have 1 million before time in na town yashuka ngayo so they're gonna call you bari we see this video comes to 500,000 ngachimwe chine dzimwe dzivazikaba ma 90,000 bari rekubona video ikoshima zvavo then I mean we would like to give you say $1 million, you know, 1 million rand, South Africa. Enjoy, I mean, and then we take the rights of that thing. Now you get confused because you never know. Like video, Idoshika guy.
And they see the potential because they know the analytics.
Exactly. So I was like, damn, YouTube. So you see the guy, Mr. Beast already. So, videos out there giving Mr. Beast, the one who goes out giving money to people.
Oh, Havalani.
So that guy, views was here going because people wanna watch what is he doing next for the next person. So I what should say this example? Okay, or I'm gonna car 300 million. Then we come to him and say, okay, so come to Nintendo. Ni J chere der koni payone. Once of the rights the video yano. and then naye u ḓo tea u humbula zwa what if nda hana tshelede video isi tsha swika hune nda khou expect uri nga
and
swika.
uba songo zwi humbulela ngori ha zwi ḓivhi u ḓi vhora dzi guma kha 100,000.
So I'm like, these people are actually smart and business iṅwe na iṅwe ndi tshelede zwa
business iṅwe na
kuma.
iṅwe ndi manipulation, don't you think? You think una muthu o pfuma a songo fhura muthu?
Funa ri khou vhudza mpho tshina nthu tshina company yanthu ya dzi laptop
Mpho
mkona tshina
vhathu
nthu
vha ita vha tshi ḓo dzhia laptop a ri yo xela. Ndi nga zwi ita do chaya.
Oh, and then also today is what is Wednesday ne. Friday you could drop the lineup ya Real Gardens.
And ro nombo ri khombulela uri nga ḓa nyiri.
Nombulela nyini?
Khombo ri vhathu vhene ri khou tama vha tshi vha hone.
Oh yeah.
And mari khou tamba kha Venda. Venda
Okay, Venda una Amos na Mahu. The other ones ndo haunga. Ndo vona
Amos na Mahu, nice.
What do
I
you
saw a
mean
video
nice?
ya Mahu ka Twitter na musi ambara like something really short, like her bums were out.
That's what she does all the time.
And then no, he was worse.
Mm,
And then
what do you mean it
someone
was
like,
worse?
and then Mutori Twitter ongwalori, someone's past is haunting her. She wants to go back to the other side. The
How so?
OnlyFans.
Oh.
Because she
How
was
much it only fancy? Mahu. Really? Is that where this party of 500,000 ya kuvone?
500,000 evo ikayayo maroba ka OnlyFans. 500,000 oyi wana aziche ka OnlyFans.
Jambo litisha chiko do vantu. Musician.
Ato ya dogudiswa ngaima. Atogudiswa lidza.
At Dar es Salaam the whole time.
Imagine niko kono ba DJ no lidza nzo ngambara. That's so much money. Damn.
Yeah, so
On Arnandebe Cafe.
yes, the lineup in Venda kitingo rovona zwithu zwoṱhe. Ndo to project ro yone ya fira.
Okay.
So I'd like to like catch people and okay ndo vona Misophil obvious. Yeah. Misophil is there. Azati is there. And then there's Kakati and friends.
Okay.
Which is funny because the guy Racha the door perform Antone Real Gardens because they tell him what to perform. Remember he fights with Indians.
It just do, yeah.
Yeah, so and then there's JR Play obviously, Gooseba, and then I think with the DJ Kodo Jenakana, not so sure. Kano do pre-party.
Okay. Pre-party guy? Where's the pre-party?
Dar es Salaam.
Really? Dar es Salaam, Zala.
Yo. Oh, and then speaking of that song, Fistos Hao, na Lutro, I think they're not there. But friend that was one sorry. These are the people I never expect to
Why
Bangaba.
Fistos as you?
I don't know.
How
How about last year?
What you know why is you say?
Fistos. I don't have time. Udo Daram Barachita and is coming back Rachita 10K. Udo because he said he had a story also from last year. I want to hear that story like really
Lutro ni bononga wa yachizio.
Come through nditi busy na kanyisa ningaskonde. Ave akofara.
Tabandi akanyisa ma.
Akofara to Lutro. Yo. The guy atiko pesa ati.
I'm sure wachifore wachibuka mtsetu kudzona date. Chati tadi akanyisa.
Why wait so? And then now there's a big story in this whole thing. Makadzi.
She's not there.
Yeah. They want Makadzi, mara Makadzi akonyago wanala.
Why?
Do you feel like she's now getting to that point where I'm too big for Venda? I mean, because now...
I'm too big, Dom Jacques.
No, because Makadzi offer zote dzine Royal Gardens Kenti, not Royal Heritage Kenti, and then also got a how. So now I'm thinking was management. I think she's available.
What makes you think she's available?
Because the way in Uzanga Ugoto Hana, and I don't think it's even her herself. Probably
management ngomba zonzo.
If when is zonzo then the no ko Hana. Na number do.
Hai maranga dzi wana rumbele Fistos.
Arna chipinga. Abe ari kuchita mubanga apone Fredo we after break.
Nikotra. Kubangoni chini.
Nikotra hamba. Like so atiko fezo like management ya Makadzi kuita minga.
Mubango fengo fa ikubuya
Yeah, I also heard that. So now because it was sorry Makadzi for to be like on a BT now Venda acha fit out because it's not about the money or okay vakhana umpache the few like they gave
I don't think that's the case.
They gave each and every offer in angaito than I mean but they're still saying nah.
I don't think that's the case. I don't think she thinks she's too big.
What do you think is the case?
Remember of her story society. It would be nice to hear a side of story. But I don't think so.
For now, here's the thing. What was there's two sides of the story. Like Zuno Karaming story chine Rabanacho. What do you think?
Okay. Ofi uko hana right?
Uko hana.
Achihana. Ngori uri hao. arali asiho
nah ri ḓo vhona nga dzinto
exactly then let's wait, let's stop making arali asiho hao I cannot be
vhane ava no here's the thing vhane ava vho amboro da vasiyo
mara ini no ro amboro da vasiyo
ndi kona amboro like vha da vasiyo in the country na mina uri okay
even if it's not the country what if she's doing
something maka like u da vasiyo okay ndori u da vasiyo okay I don't know mara like the thing is u khotwa hana literally
so hezwo zwo ri u da vasiyo na ku zwipa
ndazi kuzvipa
ndiri kudza story chopera uri mini
uko hana
ori mini
uko hana
zori hawo no zvipfa gai
munhu ndiri kuti bvisa soso dzanga dzapandwa mushumoni nga nthani ako podcast uko kwa 10,000 na ku Jesse ubili ini na olodero ku Jesse
ende kwa bva madzudzu ko zvipa ndiko zvipa ku bva madzudzu lying
so I think something uri like
marati okay ndikotenda
because also remember
mara what if last year vasangofarana zvavudi in some way and she doesn't want to go back.
I'll ask about that next week.
Please find out ngauri the whole I'm too big for Venda thing, I'm not buying it. Because it's exciting to have a crowd inonga ya Venda achia overseas. Yes wa performer but chinera beat mara nikuipfa crowd yokono ri nichibvisa mic niri heba tu vambe lyrics zothe. I'm sure she likes performing in Venda, so I do not think she's too big for Venda. There's no way.
I'll call her after this.
For word
midweek ndidhomfonera
and Royal is big. Royal is big, so
maybe go for yena bathuku for any
nah.
That's ninga sitting
she did a propaganda gig now before achituwa
propaganda ndi Gauteng ufonga bathu bafana there
you are not going to compare stage chingapa na Royal. I don't think you know what Royal Gardens is.
I know, I've seen it.
You are not going to compare it with propaganda.
No, venue side
let's stop talking about the venue, let's talk about the audience, let's talk about the number of
audience mareva ku vene pori bathu bafana those people Pitori ndi groove ni mamngana Venda
Pitori though
Venda exactly mungamwe has freedom they wanna go there babona makadzi Venda nchiro ndikobva kodofi tangani kwa guy wa fine kwa guy
mara Royal ines Royal is always packed hezo zorini kwa guy
but vapiyo ma
waniko ya koroni kana weapon moba not
no
I'm just saying you're making examples dzine adziko make sense. Royal udzura hodala and she knows Royal will never flop. Royal last year arikopfonga the lineup is bad, people went in numbers hodala
apparently it wasn't so
but it's pegged
as expected
but it was pegged.
Nah, do you think I don't know okay
it looked pegged to me for every other gig that I see in Venda.
Okay, Nico compare na Oktoberfest, yeah.
Nico compare na any other gig in Venda. I'm not comparing with Oktoberfest.
What do you say?
Hey, October chashika. Wait till Oktoberfest. Iko dana ngwa.
Anyway, come repeat this is Royal Garden. Rijaza. Ati backsora na mtanzi.
Oh, ura short. Tu teacher is short.
Yes.
No,
yeah,
but
Mara, I'm so worried.
It's about,
okay, but then despite the fact you're Makazimini, I just feel like management team were like nah yo, but they were complaining ngazo the whole time. Facebook don't do worry. Who get management team Maka? That's it. This Zonzo, Ndinyi. Who's in the management team?
Zonzo as a road manager.
Ndinyi. Who's that?
Who's working there?
We need to know those people. Because ngoza zvine zvakakakira ndimini lazuri niko vacancy yakunitambudza na yaka I isipe itu
unosukana ditambudza amara
exactly
isipe to what do you mean?
It's not like BT ridoro iswanga management nyimbo ndi nyimbo mamngana
like what
every day rakuona makadzi ka TV and all that where is she now
which TV music video ukadita what other TV are you
music video pio yarita d na open mic auna music video makazini wako yakantu ka TV don't even lie.
Okay, but then
that's another example.
Like
if you go for after
Komramba, are mutu as makadzi as a Twitter music video. The reason is obviously not financial.
Why do you say that?
I mean, guys, Root Kid has a music video. You think Root Kid has money?
Do you think makadzi anga phone I shoot a music video ni?
Ila Root Kid enta basi yabo phone.
Root Kid shimza phone.
Phone going zani? Nani kuri nizi drone.
Phone going. Root Kid do that. Even if I want a drone, he's just gonna get someone. I mean, but then makadzi no.
Oh, shimza binsi.
Eh.
Ato going. Oh no, no bana inta.
Hey, that is genius. Hey, but what I'm saying is makadzi ti ono makalevel ne. Angas to shumisa inyina nyiwa Venda and damshuta music video. At this point ukwenyaga watu bantu. Yo finyi. Not how she music video one. No she move one.
Wapi? Oh.
La finyi.
Mbogo mbwene abe.
No, no, like
just pingarika data uma part 6.
Ali Nigeria. Like, yeah, but I feel like makazi angasiita ndoshitwa ngati vaVenda I mean because ono big deal antiori she has quality, she has everything, not vaVenda una quality mara yawe ndi ila quality ne vatu vakuita vantu vakoyantsana I mean so
rikodoitorwa nebhutu anatanga mufonera wakamakadzi because all these are just our thoughts.
Yeah,
let's give them a
mara the podcast this whole time has been our thoughts.
Yeah, it's okay tikamuri ari svike une rakonofona rabudzisa
so hey no man I just feel like
atumwara chitu ari kwamba zveavala
umwara wa demon
umburera like zvezori
in what do you expect to rangwa what do you expect to angware
no uri kamzi yako nyango ya royal ngurumini that's when let's get someone from inside
vinari vari divazonzo pedzi ka team yamakadzi
ari wanonoyo udori seka mtu anodiwa mapunga no naye there's no way he doesn't know
na apparently nazonzo naye wazamonga weta is the thing zvo zvikambiwa ka Facebook dikamuzori management team yamakadzi is just messed up. Makadzi is there, she's the team player and is big ndi captain of the wood but everyone on the team ane ukushimisa zonzo at this point then they wanna be out there upira munne wantu ngokuita kusiwa lazwa zvikambofi why zonzo aita mini kana ilashimika kuita the tour yantu
he was just ngapanda
yeah he was just there like ndine kosi yamakadzi hey mini okay not kosi yamakadzi maybe
mara obudzura ngapanda goreni
nidzura ngapanda goreni ngoshimira mrenje akoti shimira mrenje yotsa
okay mara ate yutsa makadzi achitsa
makadzi ogoreni inokuita antu like
but I'm sure he was organizing something guys no
ni organize kuchima padla gore nyana ngobvisa antu nyana ngobvisa watu na
okay it's okay run it and let me not defend him
so I just feel like no man
but I just feel like mutabi yakakaroti zvothe rivono ngari ukutoita like because I don't think una mutana ngachuzo opiswa ngaduva la Venda for vibes
not kuri makadzi oita antu okaka kana zonzo okaka I just feel like we all know zonzo ndi mtu hani
yeah he is attention seeking
okay thank you
okay Shambura ko nyaga mato aupina duva
zonzo ai mwana vatu vaVenda navakoni mona nguchima na nga BM yo pakiwa
ngani
nochiba vako siba sponsoriwa not pakiwa sponsoriwa use the wrong word
wrong wording my guy
and then I also saw this other thing yeah I think Dimpo also yeah this other time do you think TikTok is killing businesses that the hustler around here?
In what way?
In a sense that you sell glasses, I'm gonna find glasses and afford that until people will remember glasses. The glasses the one other guy I mean exact. Then I told more it's actually that's how everything is now.
Yeah. But I don't think we just need to up our game as resellers.
In what way? What do you think you would do to up your game?
Okay. For example, ndingazama prove quality or also here's the thing once you've made your brand.
What do you mean quality? If ninko renga to pay to
asipethuthi ndabona ngo tweet namusi hoitiwa ikas no as tweet it was on Salty on Instagram momuntu or imagine she's selling Salty the same dress yeah I imagine it's on hot and so
put in the app
no mapepa ndaba no I imagine she's selling this dress for 1.3 mara oirenga nga 200 kashi in so momuntu adari like tell me I like or are you that dumb don't you know uri Shein it as a replica naila lienda la Gucci lioneka Shein maranga design zwimwe lia la platform ina Jordan inazo ina chingona chimwe so you just need to prove to people make your own brand nasumbedza vatu uri this is what I'm selling because the truth is resellers zote I feel like we're coming from the same place. I have a shape yononga Galaxy Boy. I once told you Galaxy Boy you had a brand yayo mara atinga sikwatela uri vaduropira nengori they put their brand, they've worked on their image. There was so much money put in marketing for them to get there. So people are always going to know. And also you need to understand not everyone wants to go to Marabastad. Not when you go to Chimbirabai. Not when you go to Marabastad and they want to pay for that. They want to pay, they don't mind paying that extra 150 for uriabango boni wabako yo renga boy renga at a boutique online ya delivery wanga packaging that you bought and you branded your one of your first boutique. So
if you're
I don't know, I don't brand. I don't have branding like that.
If I'm a shades.
But I'm just saying uri yes ingadinge kuribura ya mara at the same time ikura ya remember it's building other people as well because now people can know uribaye guy mara simutu mwana mu arena mando chimbula small streets. Not everyone can go to Marabastad. Exactly my point. Not everyone can go to China Mall or whatever. But I'm going to China Street, but you are Gucci, Zilaza, number 3 or number 4, I don't know. So not everyone has the money to go to China. So are you willing to go to China or are you willing to buy from me Arabe or China or Diamond Walk now on another 13,000 zvambori okay settling for 1.3 so I don't know man
hey
mara ndikalipa tunichizdiva zuri tuzviona as most region you were not going so
No,
TikTok
the
is
thing
just
is,
showing people
now
direction
zvino ikoronipa uri guy nami because ndaenda unochifiu una umwe amabudzi Dragon City
Yeah, Dragon
you go
City is
there ngotosvika towana shop number mini mabudzi yavo chipa namini vana
no Dragon City is there
because the thing is vanhu vakuisa business in that sense yori wafa kumarengesa nga 3000 hapana zvino kusvika namaona nga 250 nata ndingarenga mararu like ndita nga mabudzi mararu
mara I'm telling you still huna vatu vane they just want to go to a salon sit down vapangwa mabudzi they don't want to go pack their G-Wagon at Dragon City
dzivadzodara G-Wagon
no I'm saying vaone vane okay hedzodzodarawo ndidza vatu vane vavareresa or they don't mind kana vovuya vavana cherede varenga G-Wagon zvino vana G-Wagon mara vana 800 avana 8000 it happens I mean it happens all the time like entrepreneurs are rich for 2 months and then 6 months they are broke so during that 6 months the G-Wagon is still there because it was probably bought cash so ukadiva nayo mara mabudzi zvino akuita 8000 and akasi afford kuti yarenga 1000 so I'm just saying vaone vatu that are still willing to pay ukadivana dzibotics nokuita cherede.
Speaking of tenders ti upepera matuba she was saying something about the tenders actually ari break nini yothmana ya 69
anodi kwenda sochanda let's go
ari Ari Richard mama the next time
like another 10 minutes
oh yeah thanks ne nami I wanted to tell you into for me
vote yapo tikipa nyorubula yanga yumuni yawe
nimuni ndiye vatu vana vana cherede
so
never mind like I wanted to tell you Rifinyi wopopera matuba she said this statement yori it's not every task in here to have a tender.
True.
I feel like I judged her so early. She might be something we needed in Limpopo. Don't you think?
Also, Mara, we're not going to eat in tenders, eh?
What do you want to eat? Do you have a boyfriend that's eating? Or an
Why does
uncle?
It have to be a boyfriend? Why can't it be me?
Hence I just said an uncle.
Why did you say me?
It's not
why
like
did you say am I eating in
it's
tenders?
not like about that tender.
No, why did you say?
When you go on a computer, the mangirasi card.
No, Mara, I can have a company that does other things. What if? But I'm just kidding.
I'm sure you would have told me by then.
Damn. I need to be more private. The private girl worldwide.
So just like she's onto something true.
Yeah, because then the one attenders and over this unless vetenda tissue guys we reach the tissues one another.
Exactly. Nje wakwamori ringa robva parara ringa something there. We have people in house whenever ngaita nthu. Fumini. Sekunya gotupura utotupura chitanjera swika nyagori unyagwe imwe company
kuru. Exactly. 2,000 or 3,000 rands a month or whatever instead of rubidzwe company yote. And yeah,
and the company is overpriced.
But it wouldn't work. It still wouldn't work.
Why do you say
company has passing.
Mini.
Yo usungocha po watu zitenda.
Why?
Because vatu vanokula ndi vatu varenga ngomu ndiyani vane voro matu baba avodzwa zinawo. Then ndipo onodzibvisa nayo toyola.
Mara now zvino if ukododzwa uapfa adare pamangirasi zvino nga 300 200 rather than urijiwe mangirasi awapfa adharingiswe mubuso nga 1.3 that thing doesn't make sense. I feel like zvino zvidava sharp.
That's why ndikori zvineva kwamba zviyo make sense mara ingasi pase ngauri una vatu vonola through that vone vanavo ka
iwo ndio pasa don't you think she's the one who makes the decisions?
Not alone.
But then she has the final signature. Then we know this is what I'm doing and like,
let's wait, you tell me.
Ndobona kuzi zvaudiva unova spokesperson chavo.
Tomangara opposed what? Team I was like oh nice.
Not nice. Not nice. No, look what I'm in my head. I was like,
I was saying,
nice.
Ndotuvangobona dzina
ndinozvifa iri ini ndikozvifa nazvito opa ndiani dhiva opa ronochita episodes za 31 ndirothe 8 of 32 ndikozvifa.
What are you saying?
Mara vabva radhioni vayantu it makes sense because naradhini vacho vakoamba vacho vako speaker
zvakuma ndosivona namusi ndinamusiti
I wouldn't be surprised into deputy speaker kana mini like okay he's been speaking the whole time
zvino ndikuzviporwe
ndorobana ndiri nangu face dzina ngodzita ngazo but then shout out me you should come zvabudhi ambane na time about the country ka podcast like yeah I'm waiting for
that would be nice.
Yeah, true.
That would be a nice episode.
Mara vava busy vatova mbuso nevadhivati rikutose chamti muhoro wa spokesperson wa premier ritokoza zvaudi chikwana
ende chobuya musechi
chikodzeka gezo
fact checker mbo automojole yo
anili
hakompa
chimwana
sorry
oh ndoya somewhere over the weekend
nanege
ini niyabhora zvakukuma ma
ina menyambudzisa
okay ndoya hange maguruni enda tanganela kuti
no but buge
maguruni
how much was your bill? You used to do this to me on Faga weekend.
No, 150.
Oh.
It was just 3 people.
Oh,
50-50.
Nice. With salads. Do they have dumpling?
Things, I don't know.
It's
they should.
Ne?
No, I feel like they should. Kana...
Ndiyo yera workshop here Greg ngi.
Ngona workshop ya Greg nishkana ngova khala ntini ya ngova kha mwani. Niri right na ya Greg. Ange niri left. Tsini na Oceans. Nasko your Oceans.
Yes.
Yeah, deepest laws of kola. Yeah, school yeah. So I went somewhere over the weekend. It was in those cozy places, the nice, and I mean the restaurant is the one cool. And then that's Rafalani, you know, I'm like, hey, then I saw these black people or black couples coming out. See, that now okay, now I'm out of Zapanda. You can tell this guy is old. I mean, I don't want to say what he's cheating. I mean, but I can tell Ria.
No,
I didn't say
okay.
Okay. So that's all. I was actually thinking, this is actually the places in what cheated out on 9.
Like the cozy restaurants.
About out there, office to see have Greg.
That's bad. I go to all restaurants.
Okay.
You would be surprised.
I wouldn't be surprised.
I only post what you see. What
hey, that is diva in I've been down here. If you mean, you don't want to location. Nani mwana no yakule ni mwana Antoni mshimoni. Yo. Nione kule na midre ndi mshimoni.
Yo.
Nzango visa ndoroba nani kutodiwa na ndokhela na kutodiwa. Keep it there.
Ila tu.
Let's go Zonari. Wapa chigana msi.
Abelomela volela nikuita nichinga mazaka.
Eh ni asinga. Oh unantu na one o'clock ngori chinga na ve nantu natsidza zvawo.
Unazowasiza zoti.
Nani adiva.
Hayi no ndandoisa zakuthi kai imwe rese.
Nosikane the city afisa wasiza bodo. So the riga.
The surprise.
Sasa kyanzi zakuma la tuti. Ngane zvasikuita ngapa not to riva to vose vakochita kana ndikoti azimori if you wanna cheat that's the place in any toyoya.
Oh that is amara to cheat pano.
Oh naga inini yaga.
Cheatani. No,
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just saying that not in the idea to try restaurants and so I always try like new restaurants. So you wanna who indot.
I don't think the restaurant is gonna land indot.
Ningas Thomas kwamba ndot ti ani shapu. Stoka bathu bare sane.
Oh, inini note.
Yes, darling.
I take a podcast. What do you think of Lobola man? Did you reach kuvala?
Oh, Lobola man. Atingoipedza.
Why?
Because I knew what was going to happen. Ndoshika pointed that was going to be reach. But it's nice. It's good. It's okay.
No igumaga.
Ma ndikanda ndosonga 10 minutes.
I don't know if it's any.
Okay.
Don't talk more Wi-Fi yo team ani kubona. Okay, sorry. Mtagasi woto.
Wofera.
Hey, wofera. Yeah, like how was it to you?
I liked it over Matomoni, I think because also I love the guy.
The guy,
Yes, Ndiamfuna from
he's
the
a cool
river.
guy. Hey,
he's good. He's very good at what
from
he
the
does.
river.
From the river. He killed. And look at how different those two roles are. But he
Yeah.
killed both of them. He's pretty good. I loved it, man. I just think South African production is doing so well. And I watch a lot of South African movies for that.
That's what I do also.
And I remember from the industry in Vakayo, it's interesting to see who edited this, who produced this, who's the subtitler, so for me, I love it.
Somebody you don't know because you didn't finish, so you still have to finish it.
Matomoni, I guess, but it was good. I don't want to lie. The production was good.
Yeah, Munyanya want to. What the guy now Lamsdan? Wawona kama.
Let me finish Munyanya. Now I want to see the wedding.
Hey, that's so cute.
Mara, do you think that happens a lot? Because I saw how that girl eventually softened up. Because Obachiwa had this diva, this I don't give a fuck.
I feel like you're one of those girls. Hello, I have this resting bitch face, and I mean, yeah.
Resting bitch face when I'm always laughing.
Podcasting.
No,
Who
but
knows
okay,
who knows how you look in Woolworth? Unamkegula niko wana
okay, ini ariliche Woolworth, ariliche podcast. You and I met. You and I met. Rekadito high school una kirkin. The first time you saw me was did I have a straight face?
I don't even remember.
You know, I also don't remember when it was. Marachoito ri nikono rekono amba because it's not like we decided and kudumwera repeat ngade do amane do mngano wangu.
Oh, you did send a letter, yeah.
Yeah.
Because yeah, like yeah.
Choita or rekono is because I didn't have a resting bitch face. I don't think I have a resting bitch face.
Maybe it's because of
she has a resting bitch face. She has a don't try me face.
Chabuya. Chibuya. Nah, there's like
I know it already, honey. You are slow.
It's fine.
Slow.
It's fine. The way
chromosome 27.
If you Down syndrome.
I didn't say that you did.
Over. Damn. The syndrome is down. Okay. Archie saying as well so.
I don't have a resting bitch face, man. Energy. Come on. You can't compare it to that. So that's the reason why I should watch it.
No, not you should watch it.
You thought I would ditch for
no,
no,
and then also, one thing I want to about these rich families. Back then, okay, but they need 20,000 for Lobola.
Yes.
I was like, damn. And the bargain, you know.
Very reasonable.
And then
I withdraw one machine.
I'm sure Abana is common.
It's
funny how the guy said, nah, I'm worth HRD. She's worth more. I was like, hey, dimsi mauta I go plot as one.
Hey. And I actually got a different perspective Lobola this week when I was watching last week's podcast.
Which podcast?
Oh. They were talking about Lobola where apparently the money has to. So, or apparently the money we're recording. Apparently the money has to be for the wedding.
You didn't know?
I didn't know. That's when I got to Danju because I thought my mom was gonna keep it.
No, the thing is,
damn.
Lobola.
I paid 5,000 ejo.
No, traditionally, chere de Lobola. Ito shimiswa ka munyanya.
Apparently ndio Ethiopia inaishumisa for munyanya no prepare for when you guys come.
Which is basically what you guys have to do from there. Then shipezo badela usikamnyanya chipera.
Munyanya kuitiwa musadzi. So mutu achicharge 15,000 imani kuri munyanya wanga udo cost 15.
Ndela zvine vabotenderana uri let's give money to my parents and
tuku. Town hall.
No, as yes. I think I know this combo. And then they also have this thing uri. Ini. Sorry. I thought everyone knew. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, guys, no rewa kana nande. Ga donkey. So here's the thing, jera ndo zoom ori no, nende afdi ori ela cherede ndiya mnyanya. And then if not, but ende no, okay, well, for you and I are getting married. Let's make it 20k, see? With the badera kind, and then from there, everybody let's let them enjoy the man. Rene gonna plan the wedding. Garne ba anda touching wana chingo to right. The last one wana mnyanya yo na kana minozuru ana utofi mino mnyanya is over 500. Okay, not 500. 200,000, 300,000. Ni lebo chila ngozona.
That was more, eh?
Exactly. So do you think chila badera 500,000 for Lobola? Uribaji wa mateo baitentu baite mnyanya.
Marati balandi wa mahara wa kwa manga
no, it's an example.
Arishimse wononga wa yupi wedding ya bai ikulu Venda recently.
I know yeah.
Obona ya mbodi ola the guy that passed away. That one was.
He passed away, ti?
Ola wa mbodi.
Oh, na anarichi shoota.
Ola wa ay man. Ola wa.
Ini ndio rewa kana. Matubatu dibango.
Bundu
like you got Rambango.
You are saying a lot.
No, that was I don't get Rambango topic since then. I rather remember episode 6.
Whatever.
Yeah, so Mnyanyo Nongo Nola.
Yeah.
I feel like that guy. I'm sure it's okay, he had money. You probably say the 100,000 Mnyanyo. And 50,000, we don't know it. And then I did the cover Mnyanyo and the moon.
I feel like marriage no rea sana and rea tu sana ngore ngashimse mindari yakale ngore kale mnyanya was not this much of a big deal. I mean rasa ko chera galare uno kutu 150,000 or whatever. So I think jino ndi must rejoine zwanda ngori mnyanya yakale oba usi chila stretch tent cha civic asa chitunga ya civic
cha blue and white.
you know,
then the balloon not even stretch tent
then vari malabi a white vari hala akerekeni phanda veiwa la pink zviro zvapanda zvaambadzwa zvamurozva zviempty hachatiwa
ahopo vange
hachatiwa habika mafumakadzi vachitaratani una vamwe obviously muti angazibare odumonga gravy havana muti odumonga mayobhaka
ntufia mini inanga KFC yange into it's
vibes.
So I hope vakuvona whether the
mara ini would you want uri chedi ya lobola kuya mgona ibuye ka ini ni shumiso for chata?
It depends on the amount.
Let's say if it's 100k.
100k.
I'm gonna utongo totuanga 10.
If I toga 10 it's fine. Yakaka guy. Afa wanga 10 nerari mnyanya 1 million. Now to bandre
and the time ke gurba ko to bade stock of la grocery ya pe.
Next time wa chera mkono. Rudo zara chinchi kwa 1 million mnyanya. Ahopo bavona. Wazi tangaya chachina na chitu.
Kabve kacho.
Wangase kabve kacho. Anyway. So nenda funa ngone ndaya. Nami
no na introduce.
No mfuna lumwe.
Was it the first time you were introduced at a girl's family?
It was even if it was in double tender. No, tell me, do you think I would go and come here and say, no, don't introduce her. Don't introduce her. Don't introduce her. Don't introduce her. Like, I'm just gonna come here and say.
When was your first introduction? I don't know.
Getting game gone. I'm not now go home. I see the way I walk that. Like, I'm going to mango. Pika. I'm the Tana Zaka deny. So cool. So now
I don't know what between us.
Nah, I don't think we're on that wall.
Messaging a girlfriend.
Besides the dinners of
the phone, me and guys go phone and a remind him.
You are phone room.
No, when you phone,
I don't know long one.
I don't know. I'm the bed. I'm for my cards. Okay, but anyways, it's fine. I reach your introduction as I'm sure.
Yeah, but I just feel like if never reach Chedden in the Kumratonianga, very okay, K, then I'll be like, okay, it's normal. And then Rabapa never enjoy it, and I mean. And then from there, Nendari. Apende danda chede zangati. Just know. Apende kuda.
Na bowl. Bazo vono na lichini.
Ligo bora boy dera. Bazo madagoro. Padro madagoro thanga. Nangwa one. Abe manji. Mati ado shire zanga. Ninga shire zema tingo kama dono ati. Manga ko shire zema kaba kunwiwa.
Manzinte.
So like and then
this
whole thing, man.
But yeah, no, I do get it. Also, I feel like depending on the agreement that you guys have, if you still feel like mukona ora look at your togomera her parents or her family, then ninga mujiyanga whatsoever amount, because in haya ni uko dobo shuma yanu, because mukona still needs to, because we can't now automatically say because of vanu oda
utioricha
zao ari mkiguru bako damgayo she has to step in.
What when do zumbule
no nezo ati
chabuyo
chibuyo
Eva nandori 4 episodes she's coming.
Hana chukua patience.
Nah, see.
Hana chukua.
What do you mean Venda? Inina la Ghana.
Yes, ama.
Ngorno ama shezi ivakafo.
Da.
Ama coffee. Nifi ama coffee la ferera. Ama coffee. Uzera ama coffee la.
Stupid guy.
Damn. Handu vai irama.
No, I
nizena ama coffee lapho. Aphi ama coffee akhona la emsebenzini. Okay, it's fine. I feel. So like so shine be nto zumlori.
Coffee addict. Every time you get a coffee, they are zumlori. Coffee addict.
Like so man, I feel like as girls, nendiko wrap up my point. Go there, tell your family story. I'm gonna have to take care of you. So she did never do charge. I'm sorry, ne apela vetu. The one that got panga of me nangi nenda kwa he's gonna be doing everything. When kaba tende she there so then come horo so ne dokono sana chiva support me. Cause abe tori mukono ra 2 million. Ndichibomba kuti ita yela chedenga uswa futori re continue no chiro une abe.
And there's still bakadimomera. I'm gonna go to the Jiglas. Yo, she post every day.
Chicomba pressure. This do bare.
Go bare.
Go bare. Jiglas ni million.
Direngera.
Vas dana ni apenga bewe. Iapa 5,000 ringalacha.
Damuni.
Vas dana.
Nende sabrocha na med lemon.
So kuma.
Damuni ngaste nende ndikazvita. Ngona asa watenda zva muna amwadzi mandira ndotoiwisa.
ndialipa chiredi
muthu kandipere chedi yanga otoijia ti ndiyanga
yeah so
and namse ndolika kuti yondipera chedi yanga
I don't know if I'm missing anything you wanna say
you
sort
should
of
know.
oh yeah there's this thing unentina kuvaka boyfriend yami no one industry actually I've given you this like for 3 weeks back if not 2 weeks back what do you mean
who's my industry boyfriend
who in unafana naye ka industry ana atuniambisa
ndochompeka ndingafana mtu atimwambisa
okay iti ngorwena fa
the G
you know him ti
ndichanga
uri ndichanga
shino why should you know this one bandeni pana mwe na mwe
okay ngorivo okudirifa ura ayi vada vanga promote nyana nge kwambisa soti
amba so
no angwamba kutrauza mumbura zvinyanga vamba thoni
achingi I hope achingi chanu
zvi different anything special for a girlfriend man nanenge ri achinga chinomukona
ndini girlfriend yawe
asini
ndikuda chichulwane
and ndandoyana mesina ndochiona mesina nende atravela ndivenda ngori ni ashuma
thank you so much the G
nechanga
chiwetanori ambange kalwimbo zvo
nemwenyaga upangwa kali nyimbo zote vomiso vojr vonyinyi
umwe ndikuti yango vaka music video ndavandikusikora
hey and then also no atindopanga
after chikwamani
mavanosh and then also another thing chindakanyango chamba tinandikochimulore but vatotofunga ndiyatonga na mini
the quality is good yeah
you're right but na print yawo ndiyafuna hey print itonga yodantu yodaimbidi wakashikipa sort of like
and you get what I'm saying itonga yodanashikipa ti arivero chive this is proper my guy home of local entertainment
anything for a girlfriend
wazomwana dzina langa
ufuna mwana dzina irandichiumisa
niyapenga ndikodochiambara ndo anikogalavanta pedros ni malaini ya pedros chicken pie
yeah so one thing I wanted to say ndikorvatadopfonga ndiyatonga na mini guys in as much as I think ronozviamba murauri people would want to come and get interviewed on the podcast now there's that issue ori nikodana muzori okay ndisonochimisa njerere nibva chishuru no right so nari I have this song ndifitanga ndandishishuma so come to interview now I have to go all out that research you also don't know yourself so then ndikuti ndivisa anti so I was actually thinking how about maybe start a segment there's those 15 minutes like videos kind of 10 minutes like know an artist know an artist because mapanga awo dala
yeah that's true una vatu vane vamwe also nawo business yora una vatu vane vatoda vamba nga business mara awara vana
auna vane vakunopindura usina ndikuzviya mndari wafa tell me about you ari ndajana thando ndirengesa mashidzi apumula so nne ndikote humbulo
ndanisedza nari nane ndari
zvinhu zvaso ela zvinhu zviva zvisara zvi-awkward for an interview so I was actually thinking maybe for people like that I should start a segment like
yondonga rineriso ajoina adamba and
then just like nenepo
why can't we just do friend of the show because now we have all the equipment why is it friend of the show
what's all the equipment
like rina mic nji
dzigai
exactly like
that's why sigama kizao but when I was at studio they were really good one or they
sige how namu mic
exactly Try Mikey.
The sofa. Camera. I want to go to Banyana.
No, I don't go near a move. Here's the thing. We did that. Why does it look big as Nama? Fridge, you're changing away.
Let's break it.
That's the thing. Not the one on busy frigidi. All the resources. No, like where is it camera? Like
1, 2, 3. And they lost one camera zion. At chef says.
No, that's camera. Overview tar mamgana. Una episode una challenge name to ba so uska video chifera. Apa ya kulo chinchana wana wapa na bona. So you know first wako bona. Uko damba ino bona ni.
Wow, that's a friend of the show.
What's happening? Ambanga mi. Jamu za na tuna store au damba nga store. Guy. Ito tomo kami. Ito tomo guy nge. Udio tomi wati. So then yeah, it's like
zvoperosotiwa guys
I was just thinking of that, man. Or like, yeah, how about maybe we should have like a segment, 15 minutes.
mara vathu vatoborea uri Tuesday vatovhura blackout
not Tuesday. We'll get another day. Tuesday, those are Tuesday.
Oh,
Tuesday, we could done.
naso koba dropa. Okay, now that I get you.
Randomly.
Yes, random. Okay,
yeah,
that's
like,
fine.
no, but TK is an artist. What TK
Yeah.
was this is what I do now. Me 15 minutes, rapedza.
Yeah.
I did one with this other guy. I posted a channel now. I was just hijacked and it was so nice.
Okay.
I was like, okay, we can do something like that.
That's
Because
fine.
now it's like, vatu so.
Eh,
And urofi
and
vatu
just
rava
novels
chivo
na
hula.
mapungo. No, yeah.
Mm.
No, let's do that. I agree with you. 15 minutes is okay.
Yeah, so yeah, road to 10k. Rikododa na segment inzo. Richo shika 10k vatu wakoda.
Rineriko ishika 10k na baby girl.
Mamas.
Let's bet.
Wakododa waweta. Ngufuna hito wa dzina next week.
Emuna.
Ufinyi.
Chibuya. It's just zvibuya mara ya mutu muti.
Ayete.
Right?
Chichituko.
Zvamusi. Yeah.
How do you think it's gonna be though?
I
Guys,
think it's gonna be nice. Do I have to come up with a prep?
I don't know. Even those sort of.
Or do it half net and
Some of the
yeah,
general group called Dada. What's up with the Tomoila space? Guys, it's not chala
Phone ya zube.
Ufudo phone apa. Ora we abuna gona ufudo camera 9. Andikotamba what last time ramanga sponchi afi ndia kola podcast za Venda na sponchi. Zvino kids camera za 4. Mabone 1 2 3 4. Oda kushimisa 4 16. Una la ntakelia. Guys, ropeza.
Na fene.
Nerikotu na fene ki yaro vura ndia kerek sidaluse ashimza kentu da so.
Uchipisa.
Yari.
Ichibe kuzokopira mara riko babiko.
Niko nanga kuri ngobudzedzwa mabondini yakupa kana na pamuya. Ndio to nanga. But then we gone. Bye.
Nani chimani na fringe.
So guys, thank you for watching. If no skapa and then we're still coming at you live from Lens Hub Studios. lenshubs@gmail.com kana 081 473 4775 namsindweni padzone za company songo ba DM mfumaka zabo ba rwesa last time. Bye.